After an hip surgery, apply anti-embolism stocking, which reduces the possibility of deep vein thrombosis, like gradual stockings. They provide gradient compression and position the abduction pillow to keep the leg apart when turning, and when the patient is positioned on the back or sides. Avoid rolling the affected leg toward the other leg during turning, and support the affected leg when moving the patient to the side of the bed. Remind the patient to avoid crossing the legs, and also the avoid sleeping on the stomach or operative side. Avoid crossing the leg, as this may cause hip dislocation, and avoid sitting on low chair or couches. Position these patients only in chair with arms, and ensure that the knees remain lower than the hips. Keep the leg at least 3 to 6 inches apart when sitting, and or use the abduction pillow. Avoid standing with the toes pointing outward, and keep the toes of the affected leg pointed forward when standing, sitting, or walking. Avoid swinging the affected leg outward away from the body. The patient has undergone the hip surgery, so how are you feeling now? Do you feel any kind of more severe pain? No? Okay, so let's check your temperature first. So, please remove the mask. So we wait for 2 minutes to let the check the temperature. So the patient has around 98.7 degree Fahrenheit temperature, which is around 37.5 degrees Celsius, which is normal. Okay. So let's check your pulse now. The patient has the normal pulse around 87. So I'll be like putting the pillow when a patient is sleeping or will sleep. If you are comfortable, when the patient will sleep, so put the pillow, abduction pillow between the legs, so the patient don't cross the leg, and it will not dislocate the hip joint. So that's it for that. And when the patient is trying to sleep on the sideways, so put the pillow in between the legs, like this, doesn't cause standing. Okay, so let's go back. Let's put the abduction pillow, and we will do some exercises now. So let's do this one. So you will move the foot and hold the legs. Try to do it on your own. Okay, you're doing good. Okay, one more. Okay, you're doing good. Okay, now the press here, like your muscles press on the knee joint. Okay, okay, one more. Okay, so let's start the flexion. Okay, so this. Okay, okay. So I'll be reaching now, like, okay, now like this. Okay, hold this. Okay, hold this. Okay, that's it. So let's help you walk with the walker. So I'll be here assisting you if you need any help. So try to grip it, and put your strong front forward, and try to walk. Okay, start. Go slow. Okay, don't be in a rush. Okay, you're doing great. Just few more steps. Okay, good. Good.